Hey everyone! Welcome back to Social Tool 101. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you a super handy trick on how to move columns in Excel using just your mouse and the Shift key. This can save you tons of time when organizing your data. For an example, let's say we want to move the results column and place it before the student name column. All you need to do is select the results column, move the mouse to the edge of the column, and you will see the arrow changes. Now, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then drag the column and place it where you want. You'll see a bold vertical line appear, showing you where the column will land. Release the mouse and the Shift key, and just like that, the column is moved without messing up any of your data. This trick works in both Excel and Google Sheets, and it's great for quickly reordering your data with precision. If you found this tip helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Social Tool 101 for more quick tutorials like this. And hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.